Acha, respected chairman of this meeting and respected personalities present here, brothers and sisters, everyone present here. We thank you for attending this election and enlightenment meeting. ये तो सिर्फ इलेक्शन का मीटिंग नहीं है, ये ज्ञान देने का मीटिंग है। हम लोग इलेक्शन क्या है ये तो ट्राइबल लोग पूरा नहीं सोचता। हम लोग बोला है, हम लोग सोचता था इलेक्शन तो ईटिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग, गाहरी मांसो, गाहरी मांसो खाने होगा और शराब खाने होगा और तमुल और 100-200 का टका ना, ये तो इलेक्शन बोलता था हम लोग। लेकिन इलेक्शन तो ये नहीं है। इलेक्शन का किताब यहाँ में हम लोग का पास है। Election, the law relating to elections. Law relating to elections. Election is a time to discuss, to find out the best candidate, the best person to represent us in parliament and in assembly and in autonomous council. This is election. Not eating pork, not drinking wine, not asking for money. For 70 years, हम लोग 70 साल हम लोग eating, drinking election करता था। अभी क्या हुआ हम लोग का देश हम लोग का देश अभी कार्बी आंगलोंग 10 constituencies given to non-tribal people. After 70 years of fighting election, after 70 years of winning election, हम लोग बोला है इलेक्शन तो जीतने होगा, हाँ जीतने होगा, लेकिन कौन जीतने होगा, कौन आदमी? दिस इज द सवाल ये है। हम लोग अच्छा आदमी सिलेक्ट करने होगा, ये है इलेक्शन। I cannot speak Hindi properly, that is also somehow it has come out of my mouth. However, I have promised, if I do not know Hindi, HAFLONG Hindi to सीखने होगा। शाहरुख खान to हिंदी to नहीं होगा हम लोग के पास। So, this is election. 2 months ago, we came to HAFLONG. And some people told us, if you have come for election, you must kill pigs. Pork खाने को देने होगा हम लोग। Just 2 months before. ये तो नहीं होगा, ये तो इलेक्शन नहीं होगा। pork तो मिलेगा बीजेपी का साथ में, और बीजेपी लोग तो बहुत बड़ा pork मिलेगा, और कांग्रेस का पास। Now therefore, we are faced with extinction. We are faced with আমি নাইকিয়া হব। অসমীয়া কলে মইতো অসমীয়া কলে বেছি ইজি হয়, easy for me, but you may not like to listen. but we promise that we will be in Assam, although we will have autonomous state. So we are learning Assamese. Is it not so? Autonomous to hoga chahiye, lekin Assam ka andar bhitar mein, inside Assam. We do not hate Assam. However, now हम लोग को autonomous state to नहीं दिया, लेकिन बराक वैली में मिनी स्टेट दिया असम गवर्नमेंट. असमीज लोग कोई ओपोज नहीं करा. इसीलिए हम बोला आज भी रिपोर्टर का सामने जे हम लोग को ऑटोनमस दीजिए और असमीज लोग और असम गवर्नमेंट ओपोज डोंट ओपोज ओपोज करिब नालागे बोली जे अहोमिया हिंदीत की कय मत ओपोज करिए. Now our district, we are autonomous district. It has been created under the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. The 6th schedule. In 6th schedule, paragraph 1 and paragraph 20, it is said the Dima Hasao Autonomous District and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Districts are tribal areas. It is not reservation law. This is the main thing we'll have to remember. This is not reservation law. It is the law for constructing a country, a small country. We don't know that. If a small country is constructed in a country, there is no question why other people will get the chance to be the citizens of that country. Whoever comes to that country, they will be foreigners. Likewise, in 6th schedule areas, the tribal people are the real citizens, the real inhabitants, not citizens, but the real inhabitants. But for understanding, we can say the real citizens. And those who are not scheduled tribe, they are almost like foreigners to this place. This is the meaning. Now therefore, हम लोग ट्राइबल के लिए बोलने को डरना नहीं चाहिए. डरना नहीं चाहिए. Hindi. You should not be afraid of speaking for tribal people. It is not illegal. Even during election, in election code of conduct, it is said community this and that we should not speak. But in 6th schedule area, if we do not speak about tribal, there is no way to speak. Is it not so? There is no way to speak. Ami kobo nuarim. যদি ট্রাইবেলৰ কথা যদি নকয় 6th schedule area, তেতিয়াহলে আমি কথাই ক'ব নোৱাৰিম. সেই কাৰণে we are authorized to speak for tribal people. And while we are speaking for tribal people, to make the people understand, we have to say that non-tribal also. But we cannot say that we have broken the model code of conduct. We have not broken. We are doing as per law. Ami ain mote kori asu. Hum log कानून से बोलता हूँ जे ये तो ट्राइबल का देश है और ट्राइबल ये शब्द ना क्लियर करने के लिए नॉन ट्राइबल ये शब्द भी बोलने हम लोग बोलने सीखेगा. ये तो इलीगल नहीं है. Now, because we do not know the 6th schedule, from the beginning we have violated the 6th schedule provisions. In 1963 itself, 1953, we violated the 6th schedule by discarding our own law. हम लोग का ट्राइबल लोग का गांव का लॉ है, गांव कमिटी है, तुलसुम वैसा है, राजी ने सुखो है, क्या डॉर्बर स्नोंग है, और शेरवन कैप है, और शोंखो दिल गप्पा है, गारो के लिए, गारो आदमी है ना, गारो शोंखो दिल गप्पा ना, दिल गप्पा, हाँ शोंखो दिल गप्पा है, ये हम लोग we have discarded, we have thrown it away, हम लोग फेंक दिया, हम लोग क्या ignorance के लिए, ignorance तो क्या बोलेगा हिंदी, क्या हम law, नजरअंदाज, हम लोग का नजरअंदाज के लिए हम लोग अपने का लॉ फेंक दिया 1953 में। और कैसा फेंक दिया? देखिए यह में, देखिए यह में दिमा हसाओ भी है ये लॉ, और कार्बी आंगलोंग भी है। ये 1953 में July 21, our own law we have thrown away, and the law that has been given to us is signed by S.K. Dotto, the Chief Secretary of Assam. It cannot be a law for us. It is signed by Chief Secretary. If it is a law for the Autonomous Council, it should have been signed by the Chairman of the Autonomous Council. Now it is signed by the Chief Secretary, but we have accepted ignorantly. The same way, in 1959, again, we made a law. According to 6th schedule, it is the land, everything is for the tribal people. लेकिन 1959 में हम लोग और लॉ बन गया, ये लॉ बोलता है नॉन ट्राइबल के लिए जमीन देने को कुछ असुविधा नहीं है। Illegally, we can give land to the non-tribal people. In section 3, it is written that the executive committee can pass a resolution to give land to the non-tribal people. Who told you? Is it written in the 6th schedule? No, it is not written in the 6th schedule. How did you do it then? Illegally. But we have taken it to be law. And the Supreme Court and High Court, they have ordered that law made in 1953 is illegal. It is null and void. It has been written. It has been declared by the Supreme Court. I told the Autonomous Council of Karbi Anglong to repeal it immediately. We have told the Autonomous Council of Dima Hasao also to repeal it immediately and to make our own law under paragraph 3. But we have not made the law. We are afraid of whom? We are afraid of, actually, because we have been ruled by national party, so our people, our CM, EM, MLA, they always take ticket from national party, so they are afraid of their high command. And the high command are afraid of the non-tribal people who are here. And so, we are afraid to make our own law. And we alienated our tribal land to the non-tribal people. Ami amar non-tribal hokolok amar nijor mati di thaku. এইটা আইনটো ভাঙি পেলাই আমি এইটো কৰি আছো like this there are so many now in Dima Hasao. To come it short because we have another meeting, to make it short, this panchayat regarding panchayat they told you आप लोग को बोल दिया ये आप लोग का बोलता है ये पंचायत नहीं होने से PNRD का फंड नहीं मिलेगा लेकिन आप लोग को नहीं बोला गवर्नमेंट वो लोग नहीं बोला व्हाट इज पंचायत पंचायत क्या है ये तो हम लोग को नहीं बोला पंचायत मीन्स by whatever panchayat means local government by whatever name called नाम क्या हो सकता है हो जाएगा लेकिन पंचायत आप लोग का पंचायत इसीलिए हम लोग ये मिस्टेक कर रहा है ये पंचायत तो हम लोग सोचता था ये पंचायत मीन्स इसका पंचायत बोला है ये तो असम पंचायत का असम एंड अदर नॉन ट्राइबल एरिया पंचायत लेकिन यहाँ पंचायत में यह लिखता है दिस लॉ दिस पंचायत लॉ इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल in autonomous council area. It is written this panchayat extend to the whole of Assam in the rural areas except the autonomous council under the 6th schedule. 6th schedule में ये नहीं चलेगा लेकिन we have taken it. Our what is that Devolal Gorlosa Dangoria and our Tuliram Ronghang Dangoria वो लोग ये 6th schedule तो नहीं जानता इसीलिए ये प्लेन डिस्ट्रिक्ट का पंचायत लेता है अभी का ऑटोनोमस डिमा हसाओ ऑटोनोमस काउंसिल में ऑटोनोमस काउंसिल तो नहीं होगा यहाँ ऑलरेडी पंचायत जिला परिषद हो गया जिला परिषद नाम जिला डिस्ट्रिक्ट जिला मीन्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट परिषद मीन्स काउंसिल but without the word autonomous. The most important that autonomous. This is the constitutional power given by the Constitution of India. That power will not be here. And if it is, I don't want to go that side anymore. Now, what actually we should do is, what Devolal Borlosa should do is, and what Tuliram Ronghang should do is, he should make a list of all Tulsum Vaisa and all Raji Naisokho and all Selvan Kep and all Dorbar Snom and all Songkho Dilgapa. He should make, and the list should be submitted to the government of India, and the government of Assam should be informed, and the government of India will send money direct to the Rajina Isokho and Tulsung Vaisa and others. This is the law. It is not illegal. It has to be done. That if it is done, then we will be able to retain our 6th schedule and our autonomous power. It is not at all difficult, and government of India will not be angry because we are doing according to law and our own culture. This is now Tuliram Ronghan and Devolal Gorosa and other those who are in BJP or maybe in Congress also, they may think that it is not good. It cannot be accepted, they may think. But the sixth schedule, this is a constitution. It has this Constitution of India and Constitution of Dima Hasao and Karbi Anglong have said that this Salayaro and other village council of the tribal people must be accepted as per Article 243D of the Constitution of India. Therefore, what I'll do is, if I am elected, I will again recover all the power of the sixth schedule which has been granted to us. I will revive Rajinai Sokho. I will revive Tulsung Vaisa. I will revive Serwan Kep. I will revive Dorbar Snom. I will revive Injim Tiripun Songsat Wen. I will revive Mukpom Chauhuban. And I will revive Songkho Dilgaba. Then you will have your own culture and your own law and your own identity. Otherwise, our own identity will be lost and will be nowhere. We will be nowhere. Why? Because the BJP is from where? BJP is born from the RSS. And RSS is born from this Manusmriti. This is Manusmriti. It is their constitution. I have discussed about this in seminars also. I said this Manusmriti has not been repealed. Yes, they said it is not repealed. It is still there. So the BJP wants to implement everything according to this Manusmriti. What does the Manusmriti say? It is not a matter of pointing out communal thing, but it is from the book only. Because it concerns us very deeply. हम ट्राइबल के लिए तो बहुत important है ये. What Manusmriti says? That the tribal people, tribal लोग क्या जन्म हुआ ये आदमी का पाँव का अंदर से, under the feet पाँव ना, from under the feet of Brahma. Under the feet to क्या मिलेगा? यहाँ भी under the feet to कभी-कभी गोबर भी होता है. हम लोग वो लोग बोला है ट्राइबल लोग गोबर का समान है. समान ना, इक्वल, समान है. इधर कैसा होगा? हम लोग if ट्राइबल लोग गोबर का समान है तो हमको क्यों ऑटोनोमस देने होगा? गोबर तो क्या ऑटोनोमस लगेगा? ऑटोनोमस नहीं चाहिए गोबर से, गोबर को ना, गोबर ना, गोबर को. इसलिए this book is not made by me. It is printed in India. We requested to send us from, what is that? Zone ki? Amazon. They sent us this picture also. इसलिए this thing, the RSS will implement it, and BJP will have to implement the order of the RSS. That is the reason why they want to take out autonomous power from Dima Hasao and from Karbi Anglong also. And they have done already in BTC. BTC has got no power now. They have implemented something that is a MOS, I think, 2.9 they have implemented. And in BTC, there is no autonomous power anymore. That autonomous power বুলি BTC একো নাই এতিয়া. সেই কাৰণে আমি যদি বিজেপিক যদি আমি ভোট দি থাকো, Tetihole, if we go on giving vote to the BJP, then we will not have our own identity also, not to speak of our political power. And who started this? But is it the BJP who started this? It was started by Congress.